Hi, my name is Kevin Rapp, and I'm the Chief Creative Officer of Kevin Rapp Consulting. I came to Greenlight's improv workshop because it just sounded like a fun opportunity to get to know people, get to try something that's a little outside my comfort zone, and to generally just have fun and learn something. Overall, I just got a lot of energy out of going to Greenlight's workshop. It was a lot of fun to try something that was a little different, to be around a group of people that were bringing an improvisational energy, and to think about the way I interact in my work and my life in a different way. If you're like, maybe improv's not for me, you're probably the exact person that should try this kind of improv workshop that Greenlight puts on. It's something that isn't nearly as scary as you might think it is. It gives you an opportunity to just adopt a different mindset, to try something that will give you a different way of thinking about how you do your everyday life and your everyday work. If you're concerned about, oh, I'm not going to be funny on my feet, or I'm not somebody who's comfortable in front of a crowd, this will give you some skills and some tools to figure out how you can just speak more confidently and feel more comfortable just speaking in front of groups of people. So if you're worried about it, then you're probably the exact right person to give it a try.